I want to show you a really easy hack for recording calligraphy videos. So I just finished recording this video on my phone and I'm going to zoom out here to show you behind the scenes. So you can see that my phone stand is actually a martini glass. So my phone is balancing here in the top of the glass. And the reason this works well is because it puts the phone at a slight angle so that when you're recording, your hand doesn't get in the way. So if you're writing and the camera was straight on, so if it was straight overhead like this, then your hand would probably be blocking the letters as you write. So if we move it at a little bit of an angle, then you can see the tip of the pen on the paper. So that is why a martini glass works well. It's also stable and it has a nice stable base, but the base doesn't show up in the picture because it's smaller than the top and the camera is coming out from over the edge of it. Also, another tip is to have your light source on the left side. So being right-handed, the phone is going to be on the left to record from that angle. And also having the light source on the left side will help prevent shadows from covering your lettering. So I'm also going to show you an overhead view of what this looks like compared to the edge of my desk so you can see. So here's the edge of my desk and this is where I'm sitting. You can see that the angle of my paper is not lined up square with the edge of my desk. In fact, it's turned. So the phone is also turned this way to make the final result look like it is going straight. So you might be surprised that my paper is actually rotated kind of a lot from the edge of my table, and this just helps me write at a slant. That's my natural writing position. And then using a martini glass is a surprisingly easy way to record a video.